Unraveling the meaning of on tilt, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating phrase to explore. On tilt. This is a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, and it has a very interesting origin. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's dive in. The phrase, on tilt, originates from the world of poker and gambling. When a player is on tilt, it means that they are not in their best emotional state, usually because of a bad play or a series of losses. This emotional disturbance leads them to make irrational decisions, often resulting in even more losses. The idea is that just like a pinball machine that goes on tilt and stops functioning properly when it's tampered with, a person who is on tilt is not thinking clearly and is off balance. While on tilt started in the gambling world, it has since migrated into everyday language. Today, people use on tilt to describe someone who is upset, frustrated, or not in their usual state of mind, leading them to act out of character. It's not just used for gambling or competitive scenarios anymore. It can be applied to various situations. Examples: he's really on tilt after that argument with his boss, and he's not thinking clearly. I think I need to take a break from this project. I'm starting to go on tilt. Using on tilt in a sentence is pretty straightforward. You can use it to describe yourself or someone else who is in a state of emotional upheaval. Examples: after losing the third game in a row, the team was completely on tilt. I'm on tilt right now. I need a moment to calm down. And that's it for today's video on the phrase, on tilt. We hope this explanation helps you understand this interesting phrase and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, everyone can go on tilt from time to time. It's a natural part of dealing with challenging situations. The important part is recognizing it and finding a way to get back to your balanced state. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.